family? I am so excited to be reading with you today. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Miss Emily, and I'm one of the toddler teachers here at Heartfelt Impressions. Today we're going to be reading a book that goes with our theme of cooking. Now this book doesn't exactly talk about cooking, but it talks about the best part of cooking, eating. So this one is called, How Do Dinosaurs Eat Their Food? Now this book talks about why it's important to have manners and be polite while we eat. Now what are manners? That's right. Manners are how we are kind and nice to those around us. Now those aren't just important while we're eating, but they are important then. Now this book is written by Jane Yolen. She is the author. What does the author do? The author writes the words in the book. So if you look in the book, there's all these words written on the page. The author writes those. Now this book is illustrated by Mark Teague. What's an illustrator? That's right, he's the one that draws all of these fun pictures that you see throughout the book. So Mark Teague is our illustrator, and Jane Yolen is our author. Now if you look at this book, this is the front cover. Now the cover's hard. If you hear that, it's hard. Now the cover's hard and it keeps all the soft pages that are on the inside safe, so that if we drop it or we step on it on accident, the pages won't rip and be broken and we can still read it. Now on the front cover, there's a big dinosaur, and he's sitting at what looks like a really little table next to him. And there's somebody that's bringing him food, and he's wearing a little bib. So it looks like he's definitely getting ready to eat dinner. The dinosaur's sitting at the table just like we do. Now if you look on the back, this is called the back cover. The back cover of this book is blank, but it's hard too, so that it can help keep the pages safe. Now this part, does anybody know what this part of the book is called? The spine. That's right, it's called the spine. Now the spine kind of works like how our spine on our back works. It keeps the whole book together. All the pages on the inside are attached to the spine, and that's how we can keep it open and flip through the book. The spine holds it together. So, let's get started. How Do Dinosaurs Eat Their Food? By Jane Yolen, illustrated by Mark Teague. How does a dinosaur eat all his food? Does he burp? Does he belch and make noises quite rude? No. Does he pick at his cereal, throw down his cup, hoping to make someone else pick it up? No. Does he fuss? Does he fidget or squirm in his chair? No. Does he flip his spaghetti high into the air? Goodness, no. Does a dinosaur glare? Give me your best glare. Give an angry face. No, dinosaurs don't do that. How does a dinosaur eat all his food? Does he spit out his broccoli partially chewed? Ew, yuck, no. Does he bubble his milk? No. Stick beans up his nose? No, that's not safe. Does he squeeze juicy oranges with his big toes? Yuck! No. He says please and thank you. He sits very still. He eats all before him with smiles and goodwill. He tries every new thing, at least one small bite. He makes no loud noises. That isn't polite. He never drops anything onto the floor, and after he's finished, he asks for some more. Eat up, little dinosaur. I hope that with our theme of cooking this week, you all are making some delicious things, and then when you eat them, I hope you're being polite and practicing good manners, just like our good little dinosaur in this book. Thank you so much for reading with me today, and I'm looking forward to next time. Bye, guys!